Iqoo has started working on its next flagship smartphone series, Iqoo 13. In this series, Iqoo 13 and 13 Pro will be introduced in this series. At the same time, now on China's microblogging site Weibo, Tipster digital chat station has revealed that the phones of this series will be introduced with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. It has also been revealed that the phone will have advanced AI features. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of Iqoo 13. So let's start. Specifications of Iqoo 13. Display. Talking about the display of Iqoo 13, it can get 1.5K OLED, 8T, LTPO flat display. According to earlier leaks, the Iqoo brand may source displays from Samsung and BOE. Apart from this, you will get to see in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. According to leaked reports, Iqoo 13 is going to have 350-megapixel cameras, in which periscope telephoto camera support is going to be available with 5x optical zoom and OIS support. Apart from this, this phone is going to have a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera sensor, with autofocus support in the front. Processor. Talking about the processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset can be installed in Iqoo 13. This will be Qualcomm's most powerful chipset, which will be launched in October this year. And if we talk about the operating system, the latest Android 15 is going to be available in it. Battery backup. According to the leaks, a large battery of 6000 mAh can be provided in Iqoo 13. At the same time, if we talk about charging speed, the mobile can have 120-watt fast charging technology. Launch date and price. Let us tell you that the Iqoo 13 phone can be launched in the market after the introduction of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset in October. That means it can be assumed that the device will be launched in the month of November or December. And if we talk about the price, at present no official information has been revealed regarding the price of this phone.